So I'm going to show you now how you can actually run raw reports, or what are some of the reports that you can actually generate from Xero itself. So when we are in Xero, we will go to the accounting tab, and within the accounting tab, you can click on reports. There are a number of reports that are available to you as an entity that is using Xero. Obviously, you just need to know what some of them are for. Like I've said before, what you seeing at the top under favorites is items that you will mark as your favorite, that you would star. So in my one, I've got budget manager, I've got profit or loss. And if I wanted to add something, for example, the trial balance, I would just star it and then it would come up at the top. So just in terms of what's within reports, so they are broken down into different sections. So you've got financial performance, which basically has your budgets. There are some graphs in here. There's a cash flow summary that you can use. There is an executive summary. If we then move on to the financial statements, this is basically where you will find your balance sheet, your income statement, your cash flow statement. If you are utilizing Xero for your fixed assets, you would find your fixed assets information in here as well. Then if you are using Xero where you are bringing in your bills, so that is for people that are on the standard package, you can actually run your supplier age analysis from here. So they are annual customer age analysis. So if you're raising invoices as well on Xero. So there is a detailed report as well as a summary for both debtors and creditors. And there's a whole lot of information available where you can get more detail in terms of your receivables and payables. Projects you can ignore because that is not available here in South Africa. Then in terms of the reconciliation, we've obviously got our bank reconciliation, your bank summary. We don't work with these too often because we actually don't utilize them. And then if we go down to the taxes, so you've got your trial balance in here. If you are registered for VAT, you're going to have the VAT reports. That's going to obviously be something you need. Your journals report, which is something that's nice, especially if you're being audited. It's a report that you can extract and send to your auditors. Your general ledger detail is here. We actually utilize this one, which is the account transaction that I'm going to actually favorite on my side. And I'm going to now, we'll go into some of these reports so I can explain to you what it is and how they work.